right, here we go. We're loading up for the spring break trip to AZ. Got to put all this stuff in here. I do have to say that this deck system is worth its weight in gold. Everything that we have in here, the Leitner Designs active cargo system with gearboxes, CVT tin, water port, shower. This is a legitimate setup and is making our camping life a lot easier. Also, of course, we have the Iceco 65 VL65 with also have the Jackery 1000. But this, I'm thinking, is going to be our power station area. So I'm going to put a hole through the bottom of here because the fridge is right on the other side. So the power will just go down through here, connect into the fridge, and we'll be able to run. All right, it's 3 o'clock. We're leaving. We're in the driveway still, and we already have a bathroom break.
I just told him. Dave's going to say no.
Oh, it's gonna be a great day.
What do you look like? Where are you?
I spy with my little eye something blue.
Any guesses, guys?
My Pokemon card. No.
Get out of here with that.
All right, we got our first gas stop. We got Ash here. Ash at potty break. Are you having fun so far? Everybody having fun?
Right now, not really.
What's your favorite road game so far? Road trip game?
Guessing like the states and stuff.
Let's go. And this Toya, I don't know how you say that. Toya range. Okay.
Well, I thought we were going south to sunny weather, but the snow says otherwise. What do you think? Are you ready for some more snow?
No, I want the sunshine. Please.
Okay, we're 7 hours in. We're in a snowstorm, in a windstorm, and it's awesome. And we gotta go pee on the side of the road. We have the new Crown King, Sir Riker Dawson. What do you have to say if you're a kingdom?
Let's just say, where are you guys? I want it.
All right, how's the road trip going so far, guys?
Good. It's sunny, it's cool, but it's
We're stopped at this little rest stop, middle of nowhere in Nevada. Big mountain range. Oh yeah, Big Smoky Valley. There you go. Good job, Caitlin. Oh yeah, look at that. Pretty cool spot. Yeah. Maybe have fun. Be cold. Alright, so quick update. We've been running the Iceco all the way down for probably about, I don't know, going on 8 hours, 9 hours. And it's been pretty cold out, so I wouldn't expect a lot of battery usage. But we're at 92%. So what's up, guys? How's the road trip so far?
Good.
What have you done?
Played games, watched. We played trivia. We did trivia and got M&Ms. Yeah.
Power pellets?
Called M&Ms.
Nice.
Oh my god.
What?
Well, that's pretty cool. A little mining site over there.
Yeah.
Have you guys seen some pretty cool stuff?
Yes.
Like
we
what?
saw a bunch of houses that were
And we saw donkeys.
that were broken down. Donkeys, palm trees.
Joshua trees?
too.
What's
I just saw palm trees.
And then like a pipe. I just saw a pipe or something. It was like a big round thing. And now we are headed to Death Valley, which is about 36 miles. You said?
Something like that.
I'm free to do what I want and have a good time. It smells like cow pies.
Come on, monkeys. Here we are at Death Valley National Park. Made it. About 12-hour drive. And yeah, we're gonna go find a camp spot. Let's do it.
Here we are at Artist Palette. Woo!
All right, here we go, guys. We are at camp right now in Death Valley. Our first camping experience with our whole overland setup. Now, we didn't actually go overlanding today, but because we were on a lot of highway, but we did go from one place to another. We are rooftop tenting it tonight, so it's kind of like overlanding, right? Yeah. Okay. He's got the strawberries in the mouth, but Ash is just cooking a storm up over there with some chicken skewers and tacos and sandwiches for the kiddos.
And we're going to Arizona.
That's right. And so now we have everything set up. We have this epic view. Going to be a great sunset. And we are in dispersed camping area. Just gonna have a nice sunrise over here in the morning. Just a really awesome spot. It's free as well, which is great. But so let's see, we also have the Jackery being charged right now. We got the solar panel out. We used about 20% of the battery on the way down. Probably most of that over the last couple hours because it's been 85, 86. And been a hot one since we got here, which is great because we went through a snowstorm in northern Nevada. Well, as beautiful as this all is, we are in a huge windstorm, and we had to pack everything up, go find a less windy spot. Okay, I just want to take a minute real quick to recap what just happened. We just went through like the craziest windstorm. I'm like sunburnt / windburnt. We had a great time, right? We were trying to camp. Our tent was flying everywhere. Our chairs were flying everywhere. Our food was flying everywhere. We kept trying to tough it out and it just was not working. So we're in Death Valley still and we're trying to get out of here, find a route back over to somewhere where it's less windy. So we just got up. We stayed in a parking lot last night. It actually ended up being pretty nice. Look at awesome view back there. And yeah, it was nice and quiet as far as not too much traffic. We're kind of off a main road, but it wasn't too bad. And setting up the tent last night was nice and easy, but it was definitely still windy, and we got to figure out how to tighten the flap up there, because at one point we pretty much thought we were flying away, but oh well, ended up being okay.
This is awesome.
This is super cool. Is this a national park?
It's a national site. Holy Nikes. You getting that?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a river down there.
Really?
This is beautiful.
So they only let a little water through?
Correct. Wow, look at this, look at this. So this is like the monument to all the builders.
There's like rock climbing lines or something. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's gonna be Nevada time and Arizona time, I bet you.
What's Nevada time?
Just the
Oh my
time
gosh,
that's
look
in
at
Nevada.
over by you.
Oh wow. So you can get. Holy moly! Look at.
Oh my gosh. I see the water. Yeah, that's a bunch of water, Max. There's a little water.
They have tours.
So is
Oh,
this
look!
also part of the lake?
Now this is the lake over here.
You
to the
should
left.
be.
This is what the dam is damming.
Oh yeah, here's Arizona time.
All right, now we're passing into Arizona.
Moly.
What do you guys think?
Awesome!
Hold on, slow down. Stop.
So where are we at, guys?
We are at the Hoover Dam,
Yeah.
looking around. And we started all the way from up there, curved down, and now we're over here.
Nice. Kaylin, when's the last time the spillway was active? When it spilled over? 1983?
Yeah.
Holy moly. So the water was way up here.
Yeah.
You can see how far down the
And
water
then there's
is.
like a big hole under us right now. Like under.
Close to the other side of the dam, into the river.
Okay, so I can go straight into the river.
All right, we're gonna do a reveal of looking over the side to the Hoover Dam for the first time. Ready, go.
I can't see really anything.
Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh.
Holy smokes! Do you see like the tiny little mine there? Look,
Oh yeah.
it's like a little cave.
That's so cool.
It's a long ways down.
No. You want to do it? Get it! Yeah, okay, one more thing.
What are you doing?
Not a bad day in AZ.
Oh, geez.
Watch out.
Don't get me. He does this all the time. Good luck. Hi.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, we're moving here. We're going to go look at some houses tomorrow.
What's going on, guys? Hey, thanks for letting us come over to your house and play in your pool.
Yo, welcome.
Yo! Every diamond food is tortillas!
All right, we are officially 48 hours plus into our trip and been running the IceCo VL65 off of the Jackery 1000 the entire time. Got a little bit of solar in yesterday, just a couple hours basically. So we ended the night, I think, around 44%. So we were down to about 22 or 23% this morning. I do have the solar plugged in right here, and the sun's pretty low still, pretty early in the morning, so only pulling in about 60 watts right. And we finished off this part of the trip with our friends at the Santan Flat, a little eating area. Really cool place, good music, good people. Had a blast and kind of just celebrated the last few days with our friends, and got ready for the next several days, which included gold mine, more trips, more friends, and more miles.